Whoa, this one's super heavy. FabFitFun. For those of you who don't know who FabFitFun is, they are a quarterly box. This is actually one of the original boxes that was released that got me addicted to subscription boxes. So I've been a member with them for years. It's been a long time. Anyhow, this is their winter box. It is 100% sold out. So this is a non-spoiler unboxing. So I'm going to pull everything out so you guys can take a peek of what is inside this box. If you think you even kind of like what's in this box, go ahead and hit up the editor's box. I'm going to link to it. I'll link to it in the comments and above after I'm done with the unboxing, because I don't have that link yet. So inside is the box, their magazine. It breaks everything out. These boxes are huge, by the way. Like, look at that. This magazine on top always breaks out the theme, what's happening, who they're featuring. It's magazine style and it's fabulous. If you are in Texas, you're probably pretty familiar with Paper City. It's a lot like that. Then inside, it breaks out all the goods, tips, tricks, the products that are inside, how to use them, all that kind of good stuff. It's several pages, so I'm not going to flip through all of it, but it's pretty cool. In the back. The back typically has something cool. Oh yeah, that giveaway. Pretty fun. And then you get this guy, which is the beginning of the box. Oh, Tammy, everything is backwards because I am filming currently in selfie mode on my cell phone, which is super frustrating because if I use my computer, the quality isn't good enough. If I use my cell phone and use selfie mode so I can make sure I'm staying centered, everything is backwards. I'm sorry about that. First item I pull out is a necklace. Silver. See if I can pull it out for y'all. I don't know what the quality is like. Jury's out. Okay. It's really in there. There we go. Okay, I mean, I wouldn't call it like super high-end, but it feels good. It is a choker style necklace that comes down. I mean, I think it's very cute. So there's the whole neck opening, and then it goes down. We are working on it though, Tammy. I have my husband, who is actually way better at all this than I am, looking into a better solution. It annoys me. Okay, I have Kate Summerfield's All Skin Type Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. I've never heard of it. I've never used it, so I will give it a try and loop back to you guys. It does look like it's full size. I have a Hava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream in water. Let me see if it has a smell. Ooh, it smells good. Very light and refreshing. Maybe slightly a baby powder smell, but not the overwhelming, because I can't handle that. So I don't know. Once again, I'll give it a try and let you guys know what I think. Full size. Then BB Dakota is a brand I love. I own a lot of BB Dakota clothing. They do an excellent job. And in here is a poncho, one size, in mulberry. Those are the colors. Whenever I do the blog post, if I get around to a blog post on this guy, I'll take photos so you can see how it fits. At the very least, I'll do an Instagram. I love that they use this crinkle paper because it makes things cute, but it is kind of annoying when you start digging through stuff. These are Point Studio Post-Workout Collection Cozy Aloe Infused Socks. They're incredibly soft. They're big too. Very, very soft. Thick, but not the thickness that when you walk you feel like you're going to fall. They are not, the grippy things are not on them. They look cute. I'll check them out. Then I have Inspired Meals, Family Inspired Meals by Aisha Curry. And it says homemade, a ceramic mug. Let's see. Ooh, this guy's hearty. Love you latte. It's very cute. Very well made. It looks good. The quality looks great. It's hardy, but it's not overly heavy. That like in the morning when you're drinking your coffee and it's super frustrating when your cup's heavy. It's also big. Like it actually holds a cup of coffee, not like a sip of coffee. Very, very cute. Here's the adorable chickadee who created it. Then I have anti-wrinkle energizing eye mask. Never heard of these guys either. I'll try them out and let you know. Then I have no idea. Let's bust it open and see what's inside. Maybe. Sorry, I might shake all of them to open this desk drawer. Oh, they secured this puppy. Smoky Eye Finish Palette. Ooh, beautiful colors. So there you go. Obviously full size. And then lastly, something from Jillian Michaels, who I love who she is, but I don't know what this is. Ew, it feels super weird. Workout with fitness superstar Jillian Michaels. Jillian has created exclusive videos to show how to use her fitness ball. Okay. So it's a deflated fitness ball, and it feels super creepy, if I'm being honest with you. So here's how to inflate it, to blow it up. And then here's the ball. Great color. Super great color. So there you have it. I have inside a fitness ball. 1. Sorry, my shirt's like falling off. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the choker necklace. 9 items inside this box, plus the magazine, or excuse me, the newspaper that has all the breakout and the giveaway. I'm going to link up in the comments some past blog posts that you guys can look at past boxes from the last several years from FabFitFun right now. Then I'll team up with Jonathan. Hopefully we'll get some photos and a blog post up for you to check this out later and sign up for the box following this one, as FabFitFun Winter 2017 is sold out. All right, guys. I'm impressed. As always, I think they did a fabulous job. We have more coming y'all's way soon. Thank you, FabFitFun. See y'all later. Bye, y'all.